Guys, Kobe, he is on Nikki's account, right?
Yes, sir.
Because Kobe's phone can't be downloaded by Minecraft. I don't know why, but yeah, he is on Nikki's account. Yeah.
Hello.
We're just mining. This is our
I
SMP.
have this mountain. What? It's little and I have 2 points.
We're just playing. We're not doing any challenges. We're just playing. And I'm just gonna show you guys. Wait. Oh yeah, my face cam is not working. Sorry guys. I can show you what I'm really
Because
doing.
I'm playing it.
Yeah. Because my face cam is a phone and Kobe is using the face cam of my phone.
What's that? What is the alarm?
It is our barangay, you stupid. Guys, don't destroy the lanterns.
There's coal!
There, I saw some iron. I think it's iron. I don't know. Oh, it's coal.
Crafting
Oh.
table.
Oh.
I forgot the crafting. I made the space.
What do you mean you made a space?
I forgot the crafting table.
Why?
Wait, I have a big space. Look. Ah, this is quest.
Copper.
I have copper. Wait, what the? I just said copper. The copper. You have
Coffee. Look what Ellie dug.
no, Christy.
Christy, wake up. I don't like this. Christy, wake up.
There's water.
Crispy. What?
8.5. I have 8.5 hours. Do not go here.
What do you mean 8.5 hearts? Don't you have food? What is this?
There is water. I
Where?
forgot.
There. What do you mean water? There's no water.
No. Yeah, I can get it out. Just look. What's the crafting table? Look. There's water. What water? You might fall in it. So you will fall.
It's a deep water.
Water. Stop. Kasi love that word. Then you are gonna be a goat.
I already mined 6 blocks.
There's a crafting table by the side.
Diorite.
I mined for 64 and 49.
I haven't mined diorite in a long time.
I want diorite. That is amethyst.
Because I'm always collecting stone. That's why I don't have diorite.
It's sneaky. What the?
What do you... Yep, it's diorite. I'm eating.
Okay, there's more diorite. I got a copper block.
Hey, don't collect my diorite. It's mine.
I have a collection of diorite.
It's mine.
Get out.
Hey, you glitched me.
Don't fight. It's not.
Ellie glitched me for a second.
Who hit you first?
Ellie. Ellie just glitched me. I have.
Who
Then-
hit the... Who...
I'm actually gonna kick you, Ellie. Oh my god.
No, you can. Can I speak Tagalog for you?
Yeah, it's a... Guys, you already...
Nagpasimuno!
What? What? Get out.
Like we are in Philippines!
Guys, you already know, right? We are in Philippines.
Sino ka na nagpasimuno? You. Why me? Kami.
If somebody hit me, I'm gonna...
Your Kobe.
If somebody hit me, I'm gonna kick them.
I'll kick him. Right?
Look, there's a crafting table.
He's the one who's hitting me. What's this? No, I don't like you.
What? I was... Oh! Give me that. I want copper.
Copper.
Wait.
There you go. I have 2 copper.
Don't make it a copper block. Copper is useful. Yeah, I have copper.
Yes.
Copper is useful
Wait, I
for
found
protecting.
coal. I found coal.
Guys,
Bye-bye.
guys,
Here
guys,
we go.
guys, don't waste copper because
there you go.
copper is useful to make a lightning rod. So the lightning will only have one way.
Okay. That's
And we can put it away from our house, right?
Let's find more copper. I have already.
Okay, we need to some copper. I'm lagging, guys. Look at my screen. It is a stripe line.
I found coal.
Hey, give me some coal. Give me some coal.
I have 3 coal. I have 8 coal.
I have 2 coal. Look, guys. I have 2 coal. Right here.
Oh my god, I have a 3.5 hearts. Can someone?
When I upload this video, you will see.
Where's the crafting table? The coal is there.
Oh,
The coal is there.
is this yours?
Yeah. This is just that.
Hey, you stole my coal, guys. I'm gonna sleep here. Guys.
Oh, I found it. I found nothing.
Hey, give me that. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Let's just dig down. It's illegal.
It's not illegal. It's just a Minecraft rule. Don't dig straight down. Actually, I'm gonna dig straight down. La!
I have a furnace.
Guys, look at me. Guys, look at me. I'm digging straight down. Ranger.
Watch out for the poison arrows.
Don't you dare. I'm gonna kick you.
Okay, I will hit bakery instead. No! What did I do then? Oh my god!
Yeah, it's mine.
I have only 1 heart!
No one hitting. You want food?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you some of my bread. Here you go.
I have literally no goldens.
Do you have bread? Eat bread. Can I see your Can I see your screen? Let me see.
No! Don't hit me. You're the one who's hitting me. Jesus Christ.
You are full. That's why you're not eating. Guys, don't dig straight down.
Who is that?
It is Timmy and Nikki. Guys, I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna go to my house, guys.
I'm gonna go to my house.
I'm gonna go. What?
Lapis. So I can enchant my sword. I don't have lapis.
I don't have lapis.
Wait, this one is lapis.
What do you mean lapis? The pencil?
That's not lapis, that's water! It's lapis! You just wasted the water! Really?
Ellie, don't waste water. I'm drowning.
Why are you drowning?
I am in.
Really?
Guys, who want to swim in my pool? Woo!
I have a pool.
What?
You you waste water!
Guys,
Water.
I'm gonna kick whoever is fighting.
Obviously, first one thing I'm gonna force.
You are the first one who's getting my.
Stop this! I need to eat. Then eat.
Then get food at my place. And you can cook it using your coal because I only have 2 coal.
I have, guys, there's a furnace in the mining system.
I know you placed that. Then go collect coal.
Oh my god! I forgot where is my house.
Why is there an arrow in my shed?
It's called I'm just trying to take my arrows. I'm just trying to
No one hitting.
He's just wasting water! It's just
But there is water here. There's a pond. You don't see this? There's a pond. Yeah. Oh, there's coal. And there's coal.
give me a coal!
Give me the coal.
Give me some please. I beg you.
Hey, it's mine.
I'm sorry.
It's mine. Get out. It's mine. Ah! I'm drowning.
Right.
Faster, give me the coal.
No,
Give me the coal or I will kill you.
No.
Or kick you.
No.
Now, give me the coal.
So many coals. I have literally 5 coals. Devon, here you go.
I literally have 4 coals.
Devon, here you go. Coal. I have 10 coals.
Give me the coal.
Give me some coal. No. Give me.
Kabi, give me the coal that you pick up in my pond.
No, I just want coal. Look up food.
Now I have 10 coal.
I have 10 coal. I have 10 coal.
I'm just getting coal for my furnace at home.
Actually, I forgot where is my house. You can go to me. Because you don't know where your house is.
It is.
Llama. I'm in your
can you
house.
teleport me there?
I'm in your house now. Wait, really? Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna teleport. Wait,
Baby! You're always teleporting and you're not running to your help.
you already know, Kobe, of where is your house because there is some stupid llama here.
Hello, Bozo! Hello, Bozo Junior! Huh?
Guys, Kobe name is Dog Bozo.
Ooh. Get out of here. No. Get out! Yes, I will get out. I said get out!
Kobe, share your house or I will kick you.
I will jump in your bed.
Guys, look at Kobe's dog. Its name? Bozo.
The other one is Bozo Junior, that little guy.
It is Bozo. Kobe, don't let your dog near to a llama because a llama is targeting the dog and the dog is scared of a llama. Okay? And the llama will attack the dog and the dog will get angry and kill the llama, but there is two llama, so it's gonna kill your dog and I'm gonna break into Ellie's house.
Kobe hit me.
No fighting.
I'm just going to my secret underground. That's not a secret. You can see it or don't.
Okay guys.
I hit it.
Okay guys, we're gonna end here. Bye.
Bye.